heavy as well. We need to add some wood ashes. What much? Yes, and here I have my bell pepper seedlings trying out to be transplanted. And so I'm going to remove them from this container and put them in some sacks that I have here. Here I have some soil, some garden soil. I am going to amend it. I'm going to add some sand so that it can drain well, as well as some chicken manure, some nitrogen, and I also have some cut banana stalks. I do not leave these out at all. Very good for potassium. So I'm going to be adding these to the soil. So let's first add the sand. So I have 4 sacks, so hopefully what I am doing in this barrel here will be enough for 4 sacks. Okay, so this is the sand. Oh, that's heavy. I want the sand to be, I want the soil to be well drained. Mix this in. Maybe I should just add everything first. Let me add the manure as well. Okay. This is aged chicken manure, so it will be good for the peppers. I think I need more power. Yeah, that's better. We need to add some wood ashes in it. I think I'll do that after planting. Okay, let's transplant these seedlings. This one go in here. Extra one in here. I am short 2 bags. Actually wanted to plant 6 bottle peppers, but I only have 4 bags, so I'm going to add 2 in that. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's put this one in this one. The bags are heavy. Oh goodness. Let's put this one in here. Okay, I think I need to add some ashes to these, some potash, and then we'll be good to go. So let's put them over there. So I now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags, because I did 4 previously. These are the ones I did before. So they're doing very well. Seems like something is eating this leaf. Oh my goodness. Hope not. Yes, and the other one, so they're thriving, they're doing very well. I need to add some mulch because the time is getting very hot, and these are the ones now that I just did. So I'm going to be adding some wood ash to it, and some water. Yeah, so those are my bell peppers for now, seedlings. I have some more, but I'll just plant in progression, little by little. It's not wise to plant everything at once, you know? Yeah. So I'm gonna let these stay in the sacks, and I might put some here beside my tomatoes, because there's enough space here all the way down there. There's enough space for some sweet peppers later on. Okay, so let's add some water.